Right, so you just about got both of your feet on the floor. Yeah. Come then. Get going. All set. This way. Go on in. Yeah, it's hard work. Hard work for a little cub, all this mobility. Oh, it's Ernie showing off there with his walking skills. Oh, that's really good work done. Not as good as Ernie, but still pretty good.